Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where you can get to share market insights, market ideas, and also market strategy. It is also a community that has a session for any financial market to trade, be it the stock markets or the crypto markets or the forex markets, and also the commodity markets too. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Guys, also Invest Social is not only for traders but also for analysts and also developers. It is also a community where you can also get to learn, by the way, and also share what you think will actually play out for the day. Starting with this movement on GBPUSD, our trend says we are in an uptrend move. So we are very much bullish. So whatever thing we are to do or we are to look out for is the buy. We should always be looking for the buy movement. So now this is the pullback the market gave us, and it has come to tap our 10-period simple moving average. So this pullback that tapped our 10-period simple moving average, we will see it as a confluence. Market was able to push up to give us an high, and there was a pullback to give us a pull, which is an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to give us a new high, new higher high, and here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right? Now, markets then pushed up again to give us a new high that took out this previous high right here. Then here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Markets did give us an higher low, which tapped our 10-period simple moving average. Then we are now having this push up. So we have to expect this push up to continue till it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So we had to expect market to literally push up for the day, thereby giving us a buy movement. So if we can target between 30 pips for the day, that would not be bad. So that means we should be targeting about 1.36692. So we should be targeting between 1.36692 for the day on our GBP USD. That will be giving us nothing less than 30 pips, 30 to 35 pips, whatever. So we had to look to going for the buy for the day on GBP USD. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you visit investsocial.com to be part of the community and to also share your own insights and also market idea and connect with traders, analysts, and also developers.